Now this is how you can record iPad in less quality. Let's get started. So if you are using the camera of your iPad, depends on your model, because on the iPad mini I can go to the video section, and there I get to click on the selector at the top and choosing between the FPS of 30 and 60 and like 4K HD mode. So I can choose from all of these options directly inside of the camera. Whereas on the iPad Pro right here, I don't have the option to do it directly through the camera interface, and I actually have to go to the settings, open up the camera section there, and change the resolution. So that's how I need to do it. So depends on your iPad, I guess. But if you are talking about the screen recording, like to capture the screen of the iPad, well, we don't have any controls for the quality there. But once you have your finished video stored in your gallery, you can compress it either through a dedicated video compressor app, which might work, but I like to just put it through a video editor like CapCut, where I just import it into a timeline and export it the same thing without any changes, but in a smaller resolution, right? So I can make it like 1080p or even smaller and export it in that size and quality to make it take up less storage if that's my objective. So it depends on what exactly you are trying to achieve with your videos, but these are the things that you can keep in mind. So let me know in the comments if it works for you or what exactly you wanted to do. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you later in the next tutorials.